All right, well, we are at Elephant Rock. We've taken the North Canyon side. I got my buddy Justin over here with his Sur-Ron and the co-motor controller combo. My son and I, and we're standing on what is known as Elephant Rock. And I don't think that this is going to do it justice. But this view is crazy. We did have to climb a rock wall over here to get up here. That one down there. And here we are. So this is on the Mueller Park side, but we've come down to this point. We're going to go back up and avoid the hikers on Mueller Park Trail. Alrighty. Ready? Gnarly, rocky shit right here. Alright, YouTube, what's up? I'm back, and this time I'm on the Mueller Park side of the trail. We just started at Elephant Rock. Actually, we started at the bottom of North Canyon, and we made our way up to the top, down to Elephant Rock. And now we're going to record the trek back up to Rudy Flats. A new trail for you guys to see. And it's fun. Fast and flowy. A little bit of rocky down here, but it's nice and foresty in a little bit. Also riding today, my son again, who's doing much better on the bike, handling his own. And I got my boy Justin, who is riding his Sur-Ron with the co-motor and controller, a stock battery. And he had to put it in eco mode, but that tells you something, because it was getting a little out of hand for him. So today, compared to other videos, we're going to maintain a little bit faster pace than we normally do, just because a little confidence, getting some time on the Sur-Ron, making a big difference. Having been down the trail already, kind of know what to expect. So big news on this front, and maybe by the time you see this video I might have it, but I did order the controller, and also I'm riding with these new Rise handlebars. This is my first trail ride with them, and I have to say it's a huge improvement for riding trails or dirt and standing on the bike at all. So definitely a good upgrade. I'm gonna stop and wait for Justin here because make sure he's doing okay. Pick a spot here. Here we go. So yeah, we're loving this trail. This Mueller Park side is super fun, super flowy. We're throwing out a little honk every now and then to maybe warn people that we're coming, just in case there's some bikers on the trail. On the way down, we're doing the same thing, and people were moved off the side of the trail before we even got to them, so that's always nice. So in our group, we're saying 1 horn beep is for the hikers or bikers. 2 horn beeps means someone needs help. So someone went off a trail. Oh, I love this bike. It's so much fun. It's made for this type of trail. And this type of trail and this riding is what I am all about. I could ride this every weekend and never complain. And it's like 5 miles from my house, so. So still on the stock power here, and you can see the SURRON, very capable. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about this co-purchase. Kind of excited to do it. As a purchaser, you get access to their Discord, and I just saw they released a map that fixes the throttle issue and has like some seriously good maps to it. So I'm hoping that applies to the stock bypass battery. I have a bypass kit. I don't have it installed. No need yet, but I do have the kit. So we're gonna be running again. I need some input, people. If you know why some people say 7,000 watts is the bypass, and some other, like the EBMX tune at 8.5 kilowatt. Like, which one is the right one? Can I go 8.5 without ruining my battery? That's the question I have. If anybody can maybe tip me on that. That would be awesome. I think we're at a point where we need to maybe wait for Justin and break a minute. My hands are getting a little tired.
Yeah, I was on your ass the whole time.
Was that not sick though? No, you're doing good. Let's do it.
I was pulling off the two, I was like, oh shit.